How to fix a Snapchat video sound not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix a Snapchat video sound not working. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Sign in to the particular account. Now tap Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. On your profile feed, select the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. On the settings section, choose notifications. And from here, make sure that you have turned on all the notification settings on your device. In order to do that, you need to simply check mark the box next to every notification settings and then your notification will be turned on. Once you do that, exit from the Snapchat application and then tap and hold a Snapchat app. Select the I button and this will let you access the app info page of a Snapchat. Scroll down, select permissions and make sure to turn on permissions for every application. For that, tap and hold the particular application and select the allow button. Once you do that, come back to the app info section of Snapchat and select manage notification and make sure to allow all the notifications again here as well. And once you do that, lastly you have to restart your device. For that, hold on the power button on your device. You will see the restart icon or the option. Slide towards it and restart because a simple restart can fix different kinds of glitches on your device and the application. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.